Hi, how you doing? Welcome to 1K YellowDiamond channel. Today we are going to make some smothered turkey necks. I'm also going to have some rice on the side and some Brussels sprouts and carrots. But the main focus is the smothered turkey necks. So first we have some turkey necks here. Yes, I have them. They've been marinating in onion, garlic, ginger, red peppers, green peppers, soy sauce, and a little sugar. They've been marinating for about 4 hours. Ooh, yeah, look at that. That look good already, right? Mmm. Okay, so let's get to cooking now. So the skillet, electric skillet is getting nice and hot. We're gonna add a little flour, just a little flour, to the turkey necks. A little olive oil to the skillet. And we're gonna put that to the side because baby, that's gonna be the gravy, the good gravy flavors. I'm gonna add some water. Okay, you guys, we're gonna cover this up and bring it to a boil, then bring it down to a simmer. We're gonna let this simmer for 2 hours and we'll be back with the finished product and I'll be fixing your plate of food. And there's your plate. Buttered Brussels sprouts and carrots, smothered turkey neck over bed of rice, and some rich, thick Cajun gravy. There you go.